Hello, today we will guide you through how to add someone to Meta Business Suite. If you need to give a team member access to your Meta Business Suite account, this process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening Meta Business Suite to sending an invitation, so the other person can be added using the correct access flow. Start by going to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you are signed into the account that manages the business assets you want to share. If you manage more than one business account, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one before moving forward. This helps avoid inviting someone to the wrong business profile by mistake. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the bottom left-hand side of the screen and click Settings. This is where Meta keeps the main business management tools, including user access, permissions, and account configuration. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Layouts can vary a little depending on updates, but Settings is usually still located in the lower left area. After the Settings page opens, go to the top right and click Invite People. This option starts the process of adding a new person to your business account. You'll typically be taken to a form where you can enter the person's details and continue with the invitation setup. In the email field, enter the person's email address. Be sure to type it carefully since the invitation will be sent there and any typo can delay the process. Use the work email they want associated with Meta Business Suite access whenever possible, so it's easier to manage roles and keep everything organized. Once the email has been entered, click Next. From there, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Meta may ask you to assign permissions, choose what business assets the person can access, or review the invitation before sending it. Read each screen carefully so you can give the right level of access. It's usually best to provide only the permissions the person actually needs for their role. After you finish the on-screen steps, the invitation will be sent, and the person can accept it from their email. If they don't see it right away, it may help to ask them to check their spam or junk folder as well. And that's it. You've now seen how to add someone to Meta Business Suite, from opening the platform to sending the invitation successfully.